You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name, pronunciation, British, author, better known as J.K. Rowling, for more names of characters from Harry Potter that too many people mispronounce. Make sure to stay tuned if you love the series and you want to make sure you pronounce everything correctly. Stay tuned. Joanne Kathleen, so JK stands for Joanne Kathleen Rowling. Joanne Kathleen Rowling, or JK Rowling. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.